Hello YouTube, this is Luke and I'm back, and this is just a quick video. I know I haven't done all the reviews on all these items here, but I'm just doing a quick Apple collection that I have. This is strictly my collection. My family has also a lot of Apple products, such as MacBook Airs and iPads and everything, but this is just my collection. So we're just going to get started. So on this side, we have the Apple iPod Nano 6th generation. It's like, this is when the Nano version started to go into touch, because it's now touchscreen and almost similar to an iPod Touch, but doesn't have internet, Wi-Fi, or any capabilities that an iPod Touch would. So this was my first iPod that I got. And then the next one is the iPod Nano 5th generation, the one just before that one. This one has actually a lot more capabilities. It has a camera. It also can play video, like music videos, and it has some games, but like it just has a little bit more capabilities than the next generation, which is kind of weird. But so I found this one on the road. Actually, no. A friend gave this one to me, and so it works. I'll show you. Let's see, I put all my music on it. It's kind of nice. I don't mind it. So the next one I'm going to talk about is my iPod Touch 1st generation. So this iPod is pretty nice. It's gotten pretty nice condition. It's the 1st generation model, so it's not running. It's running iOS 3.13. I bought this on eBay for $25 and $19 shipping. I am very happy with this purchase. It can't run that many games, but I don't really mind. I was gonna buy it just for jailbreaking purposes, but I decided since it's such a nice device, I'm not gonna even jailbreak it because it might get more valuable as it goes on. So the next item is my iPhone 5. So this iPhone is my iPhone 5. I use it every day. It's running iOS 7.1.1. As you might have seen in my other videos, it's been running iOS 8. I recently restored that. I lost all my contacts and games, so I had to restart and go from fresh. But so this is my iPhone 5. So yeah, it's my phone that I'm using right now. So I recently got this iPad mini Retina display. I'm very happy with this. I got it for Christmas, and it's just a very nice piece of Apple product. It's running iOS 7.1.1. I'm very happy with it, and yeah, so here it is. So this was my Apple collection, strictly my collection in my house, and I hope you enjoyed, and subscribe.